So here we have a 6.5-pound chicken. Beautiful size for this cook. I'm gonna trim this off. We're gonna start seasoning. So we're gonna go season the cavity with my very personal SPG inside the cavity. Do a nice job. I'm gonna come back around. Yes, they hit it up here in the neck. I'm going to be using McCormick's brown sugar bourbon rub right on the chicken. Right, I'm using no binder. Get it all in there, all that leg quarters. Turn it around. Hit that wing. Excelente. The skin looks nice and tight. Rub had plenty of time to season deeply. Oh, it's been an hour. Let's take a look. Oh. All right. So it has a little ways to go. Looks good. Yeah, we're gonna let it go for another half hour, then we're gonna check the temperature then. So far, so good. All right, I got her out of the grill and onto some paper. I have 2 sheets of butcher paper. Now I'm just gonna dab, and I already basted her with butter. Now we're gonna put more butter on her so we could go ahead and wrap. She looks really nice. The color looks amazing. Right there. Excellent. I'm not even going to put a probe in her. I want to pull it out when she's done. All right. She is done. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Look at that. Holy smokes. See that right there? I'm gonna let her rest just for about 10-15 minutes. We can get her on the cutting board. See the citrus, oh, smoked down. Oh, that is so good. That looks delicious. I'm gonna take a bite now, but I'm gonna let her rest for a good 10-15 minutes. Then we'll give her a taste. Ooh, do you see all those juices just burst out of there? Holy smokes. You got that nice and like nice little frame there. Oh, holy smokes, look at that. Oh, that looks juicy. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's take a taste. Looks beautiful. Oh, cheers. Oh, that was so good. I'm gonna have one of my favorite parts of the chicken that I have right when I pull it out of the oven or out of the smoker. It's a chicken wing. Wow, look at that. Holy smokes. All right, let's see what it's all about. I taste the brown sugar bourbon rub. A hint of the the charred citrus. I'm gonna squeeze a charred citrus orange. Ooh, that's gonna be so good. That is so good. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up.